Hi kids, and welcome to another adventure with me, Uncle Alf. We are about to make my very favourite Easter Bunny basket cakes. And we are combining two of my favourite things, ice cream and chocolate. Are you ready to go on this adventure? Brilliant. As always when we're on a kitchen adventure, the first thing to do is wash our hands to make sure that they are sparkly clean. Now I'm going to turn my eggshells into funny little faces because then when the crest grows out the top, it's going to look like hair. How do we do that, I hear you ask? Well, it's simple. We're going to make bowls for our ice cream made out of chocolate. The puddle's getting bigger. The drip drip, drip drip, drip drip had turned into a splash, splash, splash. It has now been 48 hours. That's 2 whole days since we planted our crest heads. So that gives us enough time to do the washing up. And it does this because of something called capillary action. Now I know that sounds like a big confusing word, but basically it just means when something liquid, our water, moves up something solid, our kitchen towel. NHS stands for National Health Service, and that covers all doctors and nurses, all the ambulance drivers, the cleaners that clean the hospital, and that's because they've had enough water, light and oxygen, which is everything that we need to grow, and they're doing exactly the same. That's probably a bit too big because I think that would take a whole tub of ice cream to fit inside. Maybe a blue chick, or a green chick, or a pink chick, or, if your art skills let you, a rainbow chick. So bunnies have 2 ears on top of their head and they're really long, and through our ears we can hear things. That's sounds, people's voices, the birds in the sky. Are you ready to use those muscles again? Because it's time for more mixing. So we're going to pour in our chocolate. That looks delicious. And then, once they're finished, you can dry them out and hang them in your window so when someone walks past, it will make them smile. But now all we need to do is wait for the oven to beep, because then it'll be time for the cake to be ready. It's like it heard me. So I hope you've had as much fun as me, and I'm going to see you tomorrow when we're going to be in the garden making some bird feeders. I can't wait. But now it's time to go and eat some chocolate eggs, so happy Easter. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.